Hello, my name is Muhammad Aizat Afifi bin Ishaq. I came from class 6X BME2. Today I would like to talk about how the contribution of the electric aircraft into the aviation industries. So today the advancements of hybrid and electric power to improve automobiles serve as the base technologies being applied toward the aircraft. Currently, the engineers and scientists are actively researching the next generation of efficient aircraft. One of their current objectives is to help the shift of industry from solely using gas turbine engine to start implementing hybrid or turbo-electric propulsions. The benefit of this are reduced energy consumptions, emissions, and noise. As we know, part of the push towards electric hybrid aircraft is to cut carbon emissions produced by aircraft. According to the Natural Resources Defense Council in 2012, 98% of the apparel items imported came from the abroad and mostly through air transport. The NRDC report that when a plane is used instead of cargo ships, 8.5 times more particulate matters and 25 times more nitrous oxides are added to the environment. In April 2015, that airplane contributes 700 metric tons of carbon dioxide to the air in 2013. The number is changed. If change do not occur, it's set up triple by 2050. Internationally, civil aviation organizations for controlling aviation emissions in the United States. Environmental groups have used the Environmental Protection Agency to push for harder regulations under the Clean Act last year. The New York Times report that according to the EPA, American aircraft in the United States transportation sector contribute 11% of greenhouse gas emissions since 29% of aircraft emissions worldwide. Moving towards an alternative systems requiring creating new technology aircraft design as well as propulsion systems that integrates battery technologies and electromagnetic machines like a motor and generator with the more efficient engines. The researchers are looking at alternative power systems that generate electricity in place or in addition to thrust at the turbine engines. And then the electricity is converted into thrust using the other aircraft locations. Along with this, they are investing research to the lightweight alternative material, wire insulations, conductor, and the improvement of magnetics material and semiconductors to make motors and electric lighter. As for benefit, the electrification of the aircraft is exciting. For while it may generate higher efficiencies, electric motors increase power densities, batteries, lower cost, high capacity batteries, reduction in noise around the airport. The use of alternative fuels is to only generate electricity and charge a battery and increase the effort of lightweight aircraft constructions. These are the tangible technical benefits to the efforts and increases in electric flight. I would like to understand more fully and cost rate of the involved with the component used in this on a typical electric airplanes. As a starting point, the cost of a battery, including lifetime electric motors, controllers, versus standard airplane propulsions, was system until and unless the electric option is really cost competitive. These planes will never take off in the marketplace. In-house manufacturing capabilities is a global footprint network, product offering investment and R&D. Newer technology and strong client base have become a key areas which have an edge over competitors. Global economic recovery, the growth of the aviation industry, new aircraft orders, R&D and investment in fuel efficiency engines, and we call it the lucrative retrofit market have conquered and opportunities for aerospace industries players to compete and grow. The global MEA market is highly competitive and vendor competes on the basis of cost, product quality, reliability, and aftermarket service. To survive and succeed with such a intensely of competitive environments, and it is crucial for vendors to provide the effective and high quality MEA with the latest technologies and material. Airbus and Boeing are two leading vendors in manufacturing of MEA for components and manufacturing market in planes markets. Their focus are primarily in reducing the usage of fuel in the aircraft by increasing the use of an electric system to perform the majority of the aircraft functions. So that's all from me. I think